Alright, I'm going to do a quick little test. So you can see my oil temp right now is at 100. Bella and I have got to go do a pickup at Empi. So I don't know how many miles it is. I'll Google that afterwards, but we're going to see how much of a temperature difference it makes driving over there today. It's a decent day. I don't want to say it's hot. It's probably, I'm going to take a guess at mid 70s, maybe upper 70s. All right, we'll see. What are we up to now already? We are at 104. All right, let's see what she does. Guess I should watch the road. We're only 2 blocks away. Yeah, it's making a difference. Bella, say hi. No? Okay, we're up to 131. I don't know, we're probably equivalent of a mile and a half, 2 miles away. I can tell you my car is quite dirty and dusty right now. I haven't driven the car in a while, so we had to hook up the charger for a couple days. And we were cleaning the shop, and I found my old sun visors, because I don't have sun visors in here. Oh, green light. Gotta go. Yeah. Little traditional stop and go traffic. Getting down the freeway. Where are we at now? 143! Woohoo! When we get up to temp. Alright. Still going down the freeway. What are we at now? So I brought up air temp. So that's the engine compartment air temp, or basically what the motor is breathing right now. There you go, oil temp. Pay attention. Bella's having fun. She's gulping air. Oh my God, a Tesla broken down. That never happens. I don't know, maybe he was filming. Okay, so we're up to 177, air temp still 84. We're, I don't know, a little bit over half mile from Empi probably. So just to talk about, I have a 190 degree thermostat reroute on the oil. So right now the oil is not going to any coolers on my car. So I'm running no oil cooling currently. It's just going to circulate. So that's why it's heating up pretty quick. And then once it gets above 190, geez, how many times I gotta say it's 170? So, all right, gotta make a left. There you go. We're made it in. So I turned in a little early, just so I give you a different. I get a good close up of the sign, but this is actually the what we call the will call entrance. So you got to go through the gate. Got to give the security guard a thumbs up. Oh, yeah. Wave to everybody you can. Woohoo! There's a loading docks and more loading docks, and there's your front. I guess you call it your front, your entrance. This is Wilco. Let's say hi to everybody. Let's say hi. Stay. Normally I let her out, but since I got the phone. What's happening? I'm videoing so that everybody knows what I'm doing today. There we go. Yes. Some memorabilia on the wall. Got a whole bunch of free pins there. Uh-oh. Looks like I brought the wrong car. We'll make it work. You know what? I get here, I get so busy talking to the guys, and I didn't record what the temperature was. So I've been sitting here for about 10 minutes. So we're at 167. You can tell the air temp went up. So let's go ahead and start it. You see the air temp starts to drop. There goes the oil temp going up. So here, I'm done. So I'm going to drive out of this place and go to the end of the parking lot here. Let's not stall it. Don't want to be that guy. Bye-bye. Get down to the end here and just see where we're at. Bumps! Alright, where are we at? 168, and we're back now 196 on the inlet air temp. There you go. Alright, so now we gotta drive back. Let's see how much it goes up going back. There you go. I swear I'm normal. Okay, so we're under the freeway right now. Plus, I mean, if I had a phobia of earthquakes or anything ever before. But, all right, what are we at? 174, 189. I guess I should pay attention. Oh yeah! Woohoo! Everything slid. Fun. I'm at the 91 to the 57 South interchange. And we are at, looks like 181 degrees. There, I just went from first to third. I swear I'm not going to rear end anybody, I swear. Here, dummy. It's alright. Reaching for it. Hey, in third gear. It's a great thing about injection. What are we at? 186. There you go. Inlet air temp has gone down. Yeah, don't take off from lights in third gear. This is all the construction they're doing over here now. Well, there's the... I can't see it. Let's see if we can get a shot of it right here. There you go. The pond. I don't know if they call it the pond. I don't know what it's called. Honda Center. I think that's what it's called now. Too bumpy. Famous Danny K's. Here, if you come to Orange County, go to Danny K's. It's a gigantic pool hall and bar and tons of beers on tap. Have you heard of that, Danny K's? I'd like a gift certificate now, please. It's hard to drive a stick shift and hold the phone and steer and bend spoons with my mind. I dropped the phone because there was a cop. Make sure he doesn't come after me. No? Okay, we're good. Bella! What are you doing? What are you doing, Bella? What are you doing, Bella? Bella, what are you doing? What are you trying to do, Bella? No, not talk to me while I'm driving. What are you doing, doggy? Here's the shop. I'll get the temperature right when I pull in. Give me a second. Okay, 190 degrees. air temp 87. There you go. She's idling. All right, I gotta unload some parts.